Hey, what is up guys, this is Grypton Productions, and in this video I will be unboxing the Targus Grypton Pro Flexible Tripod for compact digital cameras. It's like a miniature tripod, as you can see. It's like no bigger than my hand. It's like miniature. The specifications are that it's flexible, it can hold up to 1.1 pounds, and it's for like digital cameras. Here's some pictures. Turn it to the back. Now as you can see, I'm in a different location, so I'm trying to change it up a little bit. And here's what it features. Bendable leg joints lets you mold the tripod to fit your needs. Simply pull the lever side of the multi-directional ball head to unlock and release lock. And the quick release mount. Sorry, I can't talk. The quick release mounting plate fits securely on both the tripod and your camera. And I don't know if you noticed, but I do have a cold today. It sucks. So without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. I did bring my knife from home. Now, how am I gonna do this? I'll have to just set you guys up real quick. Oh, okay. You guys fell over? Hold on. Okay. Alright. Get it out of the packaging. And here it is. Let's let the camera focus. There you go. There's where you set your camera. Alright, so this place right here that I got it up on is a little dirty. Let me try and clear it off a little bit, because I don't really want to get it dirty right off. Yes, I'm using my finger. Okay, that's good enough. Set it down gently. Finger's all dirty. Doesn't matter. Alright, so I guess this has been the unboxing of the Targus Grypton Pro Flexible Tripod. I'll probably be using this tripod, for my videos. So, hope you guys enjoyed. This has been Grypton Productions, signing out. Have a good one.